Welcome to our channel 1-Step, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Delta SkyMiles account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1-Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for a Delta SkyMiles login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option where it says login, click on it and make sure it takes you to delta.com. That's the official website for Delta. Once you're in its official website, it's going to look just like this. And from over here at the top right, you can see the login button, which is red. Click on it. Once you do that, a box will pop up over here. It says SkyMiles number or username. You can enter the number or your username. I will enter my number, and where it says password, enter the password of your account. And then click on login. And if the number and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your Delta Airlines account. And if you forgot your password or your login information, you can click on this to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel 1-Step. I'll see you guys next time.